The way I organize these workbooks is in a 3-layered approach. So there's the why frameworks so that you understand the strategy. There's the how, step-by-step exercises on how to build your brand, whether it's personal or it is your product or service. And then the what, tailored AI prompts to do so. And the way I developed it was kind of like school. Remember calculus? Yeah, so the teacher would give you a problem. I don't know about you, but I'll go home, struggle with it, find the answer, but struggle, and then go to class the next day and they would show us a much faster shortcut to get the same answer. So I'm using the same format. I walk you through the framework, you fill it in, and then AI prompts validate and check your answer. Doing so really helps you understand the why first before really diving into the how and what. Always read through what the answers are because AI is not always right. You know best what your brand, personal or otherwise, stands for. All right, so without further ado, let's jump in. When I say interactive, this is what I mean. So this is one of the workbooks. Here are the questions, the exercises that you do on your own. Sometimes there's a quote unquote take home assignment, and then your AI validates it for you. And to show you another way that these workbooks are interactive is one of my favorites, the brand ID. Color psychology is really important when it comes to building your brand. It's really subtle, but colors matter more than you may know. So red, for example, stimulates hunger or an appetite. That's why you notice that Coca-Cola and places like Burger King and McDonald's have red. It's for purpose. Nothing is ever by accident. So similarly, I want you to do that for your brand. You could add the hex number if you know it or the color, but definitely whatever colors you do choose, make sure that the psychology behind it really makes sense. And this allows you to do that. What I also love about these workbooks is that once you fill something in here, for example, in the brand book, your one-page guide auto-populates the red, white, and black that we had above so that you're able to print this one-page guide or download it and send it to your graphic designer, web designer, or keep it on your desk so that everything you need for your brand is on one page, easily and quickly scannable. So those are just a few things that make this workbook amazing and interactive.